Doing pull-ups every day is a highly effective option for strengthening muscles and improving physical endurance. In this video, we will explore the incredible benefits of incorporating pull-ups into your daily routine, dedicating just 5 minutes a day to this activity. Let's discover how pull-ups can transform your body and health in a surprising way. Doing pull-ups daily for 5 minutes offers a range of remarkable benefits for the human body. One of the main benefits is muscle strengthening. Pull-ups are a complete exercise that works multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the muscles of the back, arms, shoulders, and core. With regular practice, you will notice a significant increase in the strength of these muscles, which not only improves your physical appearance, but also contributes to better posture and greater stability when performing other daily activities. In addition to muscle strengthening, pull-ups also help improve physical endurance. By dedicating yourself to this activity for just 5 minutes every day, you will be increasing your cardiovascular and respiratory capacity. This means you will have more energy and endurance to tackle prolonged physical challenges, such as climbing stairs, carrying heavy objects, or engaging in other sports. Another important benefit of pull-ups is the development of coordination and balance. This exercise requires not only strength, but also coordination and balance to perform the movements correctly. With regular practice, you will enhance these skills, which can be beneficial in various daily and sports activities. Furthermore, pull-ups contribute to better posture. By strengthening the muscles of the back and core, you will naturally improve your posture, reducing the risk of back pain and injuries related to poor posture. Correct posture is not only aesthetically pleasing but also crucial for the health of the spine and the muscular system in general. It is important to note that, although the benefits of pull-ups are significant, it is essential to practice them with care and attention. Be sure to perform adequate warm-up before starting the exercise to prepare the muscles and prevent injuries. Also, maintain good technique during pull-up execution, avoiding sudden or overly forced movements that may cause harm. We can then say that doing pull-ups daily for just 5 minutes can bring a range of impressive benefits to your body and health. From muscle strengthening to improved physical endurance, coordination, balance, and posture, this activity offers an effective and accessible way to stay fit and healthy. However, always remember that this video does not replace professional medical guidance. Before starting any exercise program, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions, consult a healthcare professional. Be sure to watch another video on our channel for more tips and guidance on how to have a stronger and healthier body. Practice pull-ups regularly and transform your health for the better.